Corbon Kiwi, Renroy, Lola's Quest, French Curves off the outside. So just holding back there, Renroy goes up. And we're all but ready to go. Me Jack's Wholesale Beats, the 12th of the day. Here we go. Fancy Malak the inside. Racing, Fancy Malak gets away, A-OK. Corborn Kiwi whips the lead. Renroy up for the play, down on the inside. There we go to Fancy Malak. French Curves tries to get round. That's followed back there now by Ninjago. Further back is Even 7, dropping towards the tail. Peter Malak, Lola's Quest on the corner though. And your favourite, Fancy Malak, is going to skip home. Fancy Malak will get in here. Ninjago. Then we go the way here of Peter Malak, followed back there by Renroy. Now followed further back here, Corborn Kiwi, Lola's Quest, French Curves, and Even 7. You'll be last. Number 1. Favourite gets you over the last to beat the 7, the 5, and an 18 and 60. Fourth one in the 4. 175 and 4, running 14.03. There, so it was a good performance. Just missed it a stride, but just held the rail all the way. The two's just got off, going off the back there and just keep pushing along, hasn't it? Fancy Malak, and we'll get you home and get you home nicely. In the end, 4:57, 14.03 there, and raced away the paint and has closed off about $2, so you'll double your money there with Fancy Malak. Here they're getting away. The two's jumped out and just moved out wide, and that gave a beautiful rails passage through to Fancy Malak. The two just kept going out. The 6 has copped a bit of a bump there. Who was that? That was Lola's Quest, but the 1 has been gifted it by the 2 there, who's just got right off for Corborn Kiwi. And your favourites done it by Kinloch, Brave Flash, Fancy 4, the Schofield 7, second, and Jago for Clarkey. Collision Clear Maud, and that's for Stephen there. And the 5, Peter Malak, that's got home well for the Crakes by Riddleman from Vicinium. The first 4 with the 4. 1860. 4:57, 14.03, no margins up, but a nice fixture. Lucky old hat, isn't she? Isn't she there, Pamela Schofield? She keep wearing that for a long time.